Holy snot! Holy snot! That went farther than usual.
Alright, let me try again.
Holy now something smells like crap. Wait, in your position. Go. Wow. I know. I'm sorry guys for this bad shaking of my hands. I get really nervous sometimes. I don't know, it's a habit, okay? I'm just gonna hold the video like this. Oh, crap. Low battery. I'm gonna have to use your charger soon. Now there's gonna be a low battery thing on every time I upload that video, it's gonna have a low battery, 20%.